They hide the truth, we decode the system. Space is not as full as we think. In fact, some parts of the universe are almost completely empty. Vast regions where galaxies are missing. Stars are scarce. And light itself struggles to find anything to illuminate. These are called cosmic voids. And one of them is so massive, it challenges everything we know about the universe. It's known as the Boötes Void. Discovered in 1981, this enormous region spans nearly 330 million light-years across. To put that into perspective, you could fit thousands of galaxies like the Milky Way inside it, and still have room left over. But here's the strange part. There's almost nothing there. While the rest of the universe is filled with galaxies forming clusters and filaments, this region is eerily empty. Only a handful of galaxies exist inside it, like tiny islands in a vast cosmic ocean. And if you were inside this void, the night sky would look completely different. Instead of countless stars and galaxies lighting up the darkness, you would see long stretches of near-total blackness, with only faint, distant points of light scattered far beyond reach. It would feel less like being inside a universe, and more like being outside of it. So how did something like this even form? According to current theories, the universe isn't evenly distributed. Matter forms a kind of cosmic web, where galaxies cluster along threads, leaving behind enormous gaps. Voids are those gaps. But the Boötes Void is unusually large. Almost too large. Some scientists believe it formed from the merging of smaller voids over billions of years. Others suggest it could be a result of tiny fluctuations that occurred just moments after the Big Bang. Fluctuations that expanded over time into vast regions of emptiness. And then, there are more speculative ideas. What if something prevented galaxies from forming there? What if unknown forces shaped this emptiness? Or what if we're simply missing something? Because studying nothing is surprisingly difficult. There are no stars to observe. No light to analyze. Just silence across unimaginable distances. But that silence may hold answers. About how the universe expanded. How matter evolved. And how structure itself emerged from chaos. In fact, mapping these voids helps scientists understand how gravity pulled matter together. And how dark energy may be pushing the universe apart even today. Because sometimes, understanding the universe isn't about what we can see. It's about what we can't. And in the case of the Boötes Void, what we can't see is absolutely enormous. Share, like, and subscribe.